Are you looking for a robust, versatile valve solution for your industrial applications? Have a look at the stainless steel two-piece flanged ball valves. This high-performance valve is engineered to excel in demanding environments. Its full-bore design is designed to maximise flow, while the 316 stainless steel construction of both the body and the ball ensures exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. Safety and security are paramount with this valve. It features the fire-safe technology for peace of mind in those high-risk environments. The lockable handles allow you to lock the valve out and prevent any unauthorized tampering or adjustment in your flow control settings. For those considering automation, these valves feature the ISO 5211 mounting pad, which provides easy integration options for both pneumatic and electric actuation. As standard, we stock sizes from 50mm through to 100mm, with other sizes from 15 to 200 available on request. These valves are pressure rated up to PN40 in your sizes 15 to 40mm and PN16 for sizes 50mm and larger. They have an impressive temperature range of -30 through to 180 degrees Celsius. So the valve features a fully stainless steel handle and comes standard with the blue colour-coded sleeve. We do, however, have a red coloured sleeve to symbolise and identify high temperature applications. Its versatile design allows for both vertical and horizontal installation, adapting to your specific system requirements. The raised face sealing surface on the flange ensures a tight, leak-free connection. The flanges make the EN1092 PN16 configuration, and available also on request, we can get valves to suit the ANSI 150 flange pattern. So whether you're working with hot and cold water systems, steam lines, oil pipelines, or even compatible chemical processes, this valve delivers a reliable performance. So don't compromise on quality or performance. Choose the 316 stainless steel two-piece flanged ball valve from Waterworks for your critical industrial needs. Visit our website today to learn more and find the perfect valve solution for your project. Thanks for watching this video.